Sears Refrigerator Repair Services in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Sears refrigerator repair that consists of Sears refrigerator, freezer repair, and Sears refrigerator repair along with all other Sears refrigerator models. Is your refrigerator not cold enough? Possibly the refrigerator water dispenser is not working, your refrigerator ice maker not working, refrigerator's not defrosting, maybe your refrigerator's noisy or loud, your refrigerator's suffering defrost drain problems, or you have a refrigerator that's leaking water. We can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.